This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update your resume on the LinkedIn website. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into the LinkedIn website. To upload a new resume on LinkedIn, first thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to these tabs up top here. You want to click on the Jobs tab, Jobs. Then on the page that opens, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Preferences. Then in the dialog box that opens, under My Qualifications, you want to click on Resumes and Application Data. If you currently have a resume uploaded, you can see I have a PDF resume uploaded here. You could click on these three dots here. You could delete it from here. You can download the resume. To upload a new one to replace this one, you could click on Upload Resume. You would find the resume on your device. I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to go down to the bottom, click on Open. And there is my new resume. And if I wanted to delete this old one, I just click on the three-dot menu, click on Delete. That is how to update your resume on the LinkedIn website using a PC. Thanks for watching.